Do you remember the Babylonian yogurt stew with barley flatbread we did the other day? So today I would like to do the appropriate dessert with it. Now this one does not come from the Yale culinary tablets, but actually from the archive from Mari. Not from recipes, but from shopping lists. Because what they wrote down was what they used to buy for the king to make him his favorite sweet dish. It is fairly simply actually. We have dates here. We have chopped nuts, pistachios, or also other nuts like hazelnuts. But you could also use other dried fruits such as dried figs, etc. Basically, these are little balls made out of chopped dried fruits and mixed with chopped nuts. Now you mix this rather sticky mixture with nuts. In case it lacks moisture and is not sticky enough, you can add a little bit of concentrated fruit syrup, like in this case from grapes. Shaping little bite-sized balls out of the mixture that you then roll in nuts to make them less sticky and, well, put them into a bowl. Voila, Mersu! A dessert fit for Zimrilim, the king of Mari.